Hi angels, welcome back to another DIY. So in this video we are going to be making this embroidery leather jacket. So I got all of these embroidery from Amazon and also the leather jacket, which you will also need some E60 glue, or you can use your hot glue gun. Oh no, not with these appliques because the hot glue gun won't work on it. For some reason it won't stick. I guess because of the material at the back of it. So you're actually gonna need your E60 glue. That's the only way that this will actually work. I actually end up using a different E60 glue, which was more of a liquidy kind of thing, so it took way longer for it to dry. But other than that, yeah. I forgot how much I got this jacket for, but it was cute. I think it was pretty cheap, probably $15. So first thing first, we're actually gonna be painting, not painted. I have this paintbrush, so I'm gonna do is just take out a little bit of the glue and then just slather it or paint it all over the back of it, so I don't miss any edges or anything like that for when I actually need to place it down and then glue it on together. So yeah, this is what I'm going to be doing for the front, the back, the sides. You can place the patch, the embroidery patch, anywhere you want to place it. Just do whatever you want to do with it. So that's what I did, which you guys can see in a few minutes. But right now we're just working on the back of it. I should have added some at the back. I don't know why I didn't, but you can just live without it. This get way too sticky. I don't think I would ever use this glue again. Plus it took way too long for it to dry, which did not make any sense. So yeah. Oh, another thing, while I was using this glue and I started pressing down on the embroidery patch, the glue started seeping out of the patch. So actually I had to end up using some nail remover and then just try to clean up the edges and then clean up the top part of it. So it's just best to use the E60 glue. So the next and final step of this video is just me placing these wherever I want to place them, just all over. Some on the sleeves, some on the collar, some on the sides, next to the zipper, like wherever you basically want to place them. So I'm just trying to figure out how I want it to look and then just doing it that way, if that makes any sense. Oh, by the way, these patch right here, they came as a set, so I think I want to pay $6 for them, which is a pretty cool deal since I thought that it would be like really tiny, but they're pretty big, so I'm excited about that. Yeah. I actually not showed you guys how I'm gonna be gluing it on, but it's the exact same thing that I was doing to the back of the jacket. So it's the exact same thing, exact same way and everything. So this is how it looks. I should have kept on those two because it would look good, but yeah, you live and you learn. I can't wait to paint this jacket. I don't know how I'm gonna paint it yet, but I'm definitely gonna paint it. So this is how the jacket looks. Sorry about my bed, it's such a mess. I didn't feel like making it, so yeah. I just paired it with this dress that I got from Rumwe. It's a silk dress with some heels, and that's it. I think it looks pretty good, if I do say so myself. Yeah. I think in all, this probably took 48 hours to dry because the glue was really wet. Like, it was way too wet. So it took way longer. But, yeah. I hope you guys liked this video. Bye.